What you say, Sidewinders? Welcome back to another video. Day 333 of freestyling a random truck. I'm going to go with the Backhoe today. I've just extended the suspension and lifted it. That's the only tunes I've done for this one. I'm going to check it out here. We're going to go to the Built Fard Tough Finals 1. This looks like a nice track, so we're going to check it out. Looks like a World Finals type of layout here. Nice looking track. So we're going to freestyle the Backhoe. So enjoy the run. And guys, I promise I'll get to your requests as soon as I can. I'm primarily focused on this class. Like I want to make sure I do everything I can to pass it. So, but I will be working on your guys' videos as I can. So enjoy the run.